Place outdoor security cameras where attackers cannot easily reach them to reduce the risk of tampering. Mount cameras at a height of more than 10 feet, where the field of view still captures entry points and pathways, and aim slightly downward to avoid blind spots. Use a ladder to test angles before final installation so you can fine-tune coverage without guessing. Enclose cameras in vandal-proof housings rated for impact resistance, and use tamper screws that require specialty drivers. Keep a spare driver in a secure location for future maintenance. When possible, recess cameras into the soffit or a custom niche so the body is protected behind eaves and only the lens remains exposed, which reduces leverage for prying tools and shields against rain and direct sunlight. Route power and data cabling inside rigid conduit or steel armored cable, and conceal junction boxes inside walls or soffits to prevent easy access and cutting. Enable tamper detection alerts on your recorder or camera system so you receive immediate notifications for events like sudden obstruction, forced movement, or video loss, and pair these alerts with a short video clip so you can quickly assess whether it was a false positive or active interference. Use motion-aware recording with overlapping coverage from a second camera or a wide-angle camera as redundancy, so disabling one device does not blind surveillance of key approaches. The three most common mistakes are mounting cameras too low, leaving cables exposed, and relying on a single camera without redundancy. When cameras are installed low, it makes them easy to reach and disable, so relocate to a higher mounting point or add a protective housing. Exposed cables invite cutting, so route wires through conduit or inside the structure and secure junction points in lockable boxes. Relying on a single camera creates a single point of failure, so overlap fields of view or use a secondary camera on a different circuit to maintain coverage if one device is tampered with. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can advise on tamper-resistant placement and handle secure installation work for outdoor cameras. We also help contractors find work and build profiles, and our site includes an active discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and installation experiences.